Guys, it's T minus 3 days to the workshop. I am so excited. We're nearly sold out, which is amazing. Third time in a row. Can't believe it. 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 I wanted to let you know that we're nearly sold out. 3 days to go. Absolutely over the moon. I wanted to also share this t-shirt with you, okay? It says Mind Setter. Janice Viscardi bought me this t-shirt and she saw it and said, that's for Nicola. So thanks ever so much for that, Janice. But when I got it, I thought there was a little tear. And then I noticed there's lots of little tears and there's holes all over it, okay? And it says Mind Setter, yeah? And then I was thinking about our titanium plate and what we really, really look like on the inside. And we all look a little bit like that. Would you say that we all look a little bit like that? And see these issues here, these big holes, these little holes, the little tear, little bits are transparent, other bits are really strong. But see these holes? These are the holes we're going to be addressing on Friday night. They are the bits that we are going to look at and find out why. And find out how we can repair and fill those holes properly from the inside out and not the outside in, okay? I see Pamela Galligan is online and she's dying for Friday. Let me see what she's saying. Hey Nicola, roll on Friday. For sure, I have lots of them. We all have them. I have them. Admitting them is our first step. Living with them is an option. Taking action to repair them is another, which is the school that I come from. So let's make this happen. Let me see if anybody else is asking any questions. There's loads of you online. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Oh, another thing I wanted to say. I did a live stream last week saying guys are people too, and that men and women are absolutely welcome to come to this workshop because we're people. We all need empowerment, yeah, and we all need tools. And then Amanda Delaney and Ian Delaney did a live stream and shared it onto my page to say that they're using this Friday night as a date night because they learn and grow as a couple together, which is a problem. When we are not growing and learning together, sometimes it can cause argy-bargy, okay? And then after that live stream went up, I got a message saying I didn't realise that the workshop was only for couples. It's not for couples, it's for people. It is for people. We all need the same. The less often we make the distinction between men and women when it comes to empowerment, the better. Because everybody needs empowerment. Hi, Amanda McGann. It's after coming up on my screen there, go live with Amanda McGann. Amanda, we will get you onto a live stream someday and we'll have a little chat, you and I, here online. So I'll let you go. I love yous and leave yous. And if you're interested in coming on Friday, get on to Eventbrite ASAP and get your ticket because there's only a handful of them left. And lots of them go the night before. It's like literally 5 tickets, 4 tickets, 3 tickets, 1 ticket. And then when they're all gone, I'm like, and then we open a bottle of Prosecco or champagne, whatever's in the fridge. So listen, have a fantastic day and I'll see you on the page during the week and I'll see you on Friday night if you're lucky enough to get a ticket. Take care. Slán.